Hello friends, myself Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today I am going to discuss the difference between human resource management and personal management of the course number ABM 234, whose title is Human Resource Management and Development of the BSc Honors Agribusiness Management degree program. Firstly, we will see the definition of personal management. Personal management is a part of management that deals with recruitment, hiring, staffing, development, and compensation of the workforce and their relation with the organization to achieve the organizational objectives. The primary functions of the personal management are divided into two categories, that is operative functions and managerial functions. Operative functions are the activities that are concerned with the procurement, development, compensation, job evaluation, employee welfare, utilization, maintenance, and collective bargaining. Managerial functions are planning, organizing, directing, motivation, control, and coordination are the basic managerial activities performed by the personal management. Then we will see what is meant by human resource management. Human resource management is that specialized and organized branch of management which is concerned with the acquisition, maintenance, development, utilization, and coordination of people at work in such a manner that they will give their best to the enterprise. It refers to a systematic function of planning for the human resource needs and demands, selection, training, compensation, and performance appraisal to meet those requirements. Now we will move towards the difference between personal management and human resource management. The main difference between personal management and human resource management lies in their scope and orientation. The scope of personal management is limited and has inverted approach, wherein workers are viewed as a tool. Here, the behavior of the worker can be manipulated as per the core competencies of the organization and are replaced when they are worn out. On the other hand, human resource management has a wider scope and considers employee as the asset to the organization. It promotes mutuality in terms of goals, responsibility, reward, etc. that will help in enhancing the economic performance and high level of human resource development. Now we will see that which are the points of distinguishing between human resource management and personal management. First one is the part of management that deal with the workforce within the enterprise is known as personal management, and the branch of management which focuses on the best possible use of the enterprise's manpower is known as human resource management. And second one, personal management treats workers as a tool or machines, whereas human resource management treat it as an important asset of the organization. Next one is human resource management is the advanced version of the personal management. The next difference is that decision making is slow in personal management, but the decision making is same The next one is in personal management. There is a piecemeal distribution of initiatives. However, integrated distribution of initiatives is there in human resource management. The next one is in personal management. The basic job design is the division of work, while the case of human resource management, employees are divided into groups or teams for performing any task. In personal management, the negotiations are based on collective bargaining with the union leader. While in HRM there is no need for collective bargaining as individual contracts exist with each employee. Then next is in personal management, the pay is based on the job evaluation. Unlike HRM where the basis of pay is performance evaluation. Then next one is personal management primarily focuses on ordinary activities such as employee hiring, remunerating, training and harmony. And on the other hand, human resource management focuses on treating employees as valued assets which are to be valued, used and preserved. So these are the differences between human resource management and personal management. Thank you.